season has come and I am the first to get my Christmas gift. Yeah, this Christmas gift is from my husband, so let me unbox with my people, okay? Hi. Mommy Iniabasi is here. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Hi guys. So guys, let's unboxing. Hey, this is Christmas, so Christmas season has come and I am the first to get my Christmas gift. Yeah, this Christmas gift is from my husband, so let me unbox with my people, okay? This is from my hubby. Hey, Christmas. My husband said I should. Okay, this is my Christmas gift and I'm going to go and buy Christmas hair. I say ha. So if not be Christmas, I don't go buy hair. Is that what you mean? No, I'm going to steal. Unbox everything. Let's unbox this one first and then wait for the hair. He said he's going to get me hair for Christmas. Let me see the kind of hair that he's going to get for me. Hello, who is there? Iniabasi. Wait, let me unbox a gift from your daddy first. Why are you disturbing me? Please go one side. Guys, let me see what this man got for me. So hey, Zara. This is beautiful, guys. Wow, Abbas, you like them? Guys, this is my Christmas shoe. It's not only this one I want to. Hey, ungrateful woman. Instead of her to say thank you, she said it's not only this one. Okay, I love it. It's nice. Let me try it. Let me size it. Let me see how my husband knows my size. This is beautiful, Shao. Not sharp, it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. How? See mama. See mama Ini. This is beautiful with my long legs. This Christmas go hear am. Christmas go hear am. Oh yeah, video the queen. It's Christmas go hear am. Oh. Why am I blushing? Why am I blushing? Just hold on. Okay, let me just. All this for the new shoe. Oh, guys, the shoe is beautiful, right? Yeah, of course, it's beautiful. I love it. This is beautiful. Look at this. Let me do thumbnail. Shoe, stay one place. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't mind me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Bye.